Hello, welcome back to our new video. Using Telegram, remove the background of any image. Please note that the success of background removal depends on the complexity of the image and the quality of the original image. The bot may not always produce perfect results, especially for images with intricate details or similar colors between the foreground and background. To remove the background of an image in Telegram, you can use a bot called Background Remover Bot. This bot uses artificial intelligence to automatically remove the background from an image. Here's how you can use it. Open the Telegram app on your device. Go to the search bar and type Background Remover Bot to find the bot. Open the bot's chat interface by tapping on it. Tap on the Start button or send a /start command to initiate a conversation with the bot. You can send the image with the background you want to remove directly to the bot by tapping on the attachment icon in the chat interface and selecting the image. Once the image is sent, the bot will process it and automatically remove the background. After the background removal process is complete, the bot will send you the image with the background removed. You can download the image by tapping on it and selecting the Save to Gallery option, or by long pressing on the image and selecting the Download/Save option. Hope this video is helpful. Consider subscribing our channel. Thanks for watching.